So she's hit it with PB Blaster, everything, so that I can start loosening up. So we have to do two things. This is a 19, so we have to take this one out, the shock, and that link right there, I believe. So now you gotta take out this 13. Alright, so this took zero effort. All I had to do was push down on it. While I have it out, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this all up. A little wisdom from the last one. I'm gonna go ahead and first take out the strut, the top bolts, and then the bottom ones. Got this side done also. Hit it with a wire brush. Got all the rust off, and now we're off to the front struts. So as you know, it's these 3 bolts here. But then so I have to take out that link right there, which I treated with PB Blaster already, and these 2 bolts down here for the strut, as you can see. You'll have to hold it with a 16 in order to get it off. So hit it with the impact gun. It's still hot, and that's actually after treating it with PB Blaster. So remember, guys, throw a little penetrating oil on here the day before. So this is an 18mm down here, and it is a bear to get out. So again, PB Blaster. Once you hit it with PB Blaster, kind of you're gonna have to work it. So this is the other 18mm, and again, these are very difficult to get out. Yeah, that nut is a bear. So got this out. So as you see, this is how you get that camber that he was talking about. So if you push it this way, the bottom separates some, you see? So you could create a little camber there. All right, so I got the bolts up top, and there we go. All right, so put a bolt back in, tied it to there to hold this up. I should say I have to take off that link also. So let's go ahead and get that off. So got both sides out, and I've gone ahead and masked it off so I can paint that whole area in there with rust reformer just in case. There's no signs of rust, but I did the same on the other side as well. So yeah, getting pretty close. Now off to the next step.